Guys, ArtKidGo.com fan here. So today there's gonna be fireworks here in downtown, the town over. But it's like, yeah, it's not really that far though, and it's actually kind of like north downtown of that. Yeah, it's actually kind of almost like a small city. For a while I've been seeing it's like kind of basically a large town almost, but yeah, it's considered a city, like, because when you go into the area it says welcome to the city of, or something. And then of course there's a thing I see a lot with whenever you go into Michigan, at the border you see it says, buckle up, it's a lot. I see that quite a bit, but then going to Wisconsin, you don't really see that much at all. But yeah, so that's the lake over there, though, by the way. And they got a big rock concert thing over there somewhere. I seen a couple of my friends already just being here. They're from Marinette. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's in a different state. Yeah. Well, yeah, you know what? Okay, I kind of just gave out my town name on accident, but let's just say that's I guess if you don't know what state I live in, I'm just not gonna tell you because I already gave away my town name on accident. Well,
you gave away what?
I accidentally said my town name on there. Well, you know what? Some of you just know anyways, as you can look up, about me on.
They don't know exactly where, though.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I mean,
even if they did, they're your age. Does it look like they got a lot of money to be driving up here?
Well, yeah. All right.
But still, low pro.
Oh man, so moist out here. My shirt feels like wet almost. It's like absorbing the moisture in the air, and my clothes are all just moist, kinda. Yeah. So yeah, for now I'm just gonna maybe play with my RC or something. Yeah, I brought that here though. Yeah, I'm gonna try to save some recording time for the fireworks. Oh wow, it's starting right now. Not really fireworks, just flashbangers. Oh man. Move my stuff out of the way. Oh boy. Yo. Starting off with a banger here, man. Oh. Oh, by the way, I seen a few of my friends though by the way, my friends I seen Taco Bell yesterday, and they're here at this event here. Well, I'll just shout them out anyways, cause yeah, I said I might give them a shout or something. Yeah, it'd be cool if they were here though. You guys, there's some friends I had from school at Taco Bell yesterday. Yeah, it'd be cool if they came up here and seen me, and they're like, yo, my dude Sammy G's here. I'm gonna go say hi to him and all that. See if he's recording, be like, oh, there's first actual fireworks. Not really even good ones. They're just like little poppers. Oh, they ain't got the big ones coming. Oh boy. Oh man. Yo, okay, dude. Yo. Okay, dude. Yeah, there we go. Oh, wait, you see that over there somewhere? Is another little light. It's like a... Wow. Ooh. Wow, this is crazy, man. I mean, way up close. Damn. Okay. Ooh, that's smoke. Wow. There's a lot of smoke there. Enough smoke for everyone in town to at least one good puff of that there, man. Wow. I mean, at least some bubbles, so coming my way here. Oh wow, it just lights up the sky, dude, man. You know, all clouds, man. Wow. Whew. Boy. Okay. Man, they're way up there. It's like hard to kind of go way up like this to record on and stuff. Dang. Yeah, by the way, Dad's recording it for Facebook. And oh yeah, and shout out to Dad for bringing us here. Hey Dad, I'm giving you a shout out for bringing us here and all that, making this happen.
Thank you.
Yeah,
my boy.
Yeah. Otherwise, we can do this video. Oh yeah, but wait, there's more. Billy Mays. It's like something he says. In this commercial, he's like, oh wait, but there's more. Man, no. What do I think of him, man? Like, I think about, oh man, it sucks he died and all that. Oh, hold on. Wait a little bit. Yeah, RC truck, I rode that here though, and oh, by the way, I got a new mod for it though. I just want to show you real quick. See this glow stick here? I got that in the back. Kind of hovers over the tires about like about a quarter of an inch or so. Yeah, but it's still, just as long as you don't hit big bumps, it won't rub on the wheels and make it slide come off there. I don't know, maybe even just like glue it in there or something. Then when it dies in a few days, it'll just reheat the glue and then kind of try to somehow pull it back out of there. Actually, no, I think that would kind of melt the glow stick, and then it would well, actually, there's some other glue I could use that doesn't melt. It can, and after a few days, and somehow, I don't know, like rubbing alcohol to get off, something, I don't know, just somehow break it off there without breaking the glow stick, and then it'd be more of a mess, and I won't be able to clean it because the thing isn't waterproof. Still, I mean, yeah, it would be cool if, find a way to mount something on there like that. Oh man, fireworks, so man. Oh, if you haven't seen my other video, though, I actually did another video of this kind of thing as fireworks. If you want to go see that video right after this one, if you didn't see it yet, or if you're watching this, or you already watched it, well, yeah, link will be in the description, because, yeah, the other one's pretty crazy, too, but, well, man, it wasn't up this close, or it's kind of far away on a little beach, and people had to ruin our little spot, though. It came there, too, and normally they don't. Clark said his dad's friend, one of his best friends, usually it's pretty empty over there, and then, oh, boy. Oh, wow, the way they reflect off the cars, the fireworks, man. Okay. Whoa, there's even little bits of firework ash still falling down there, all still lit, and they hit the water, and then they instantly put out. And I can't see on camera that good at all. Barely, dude, it's alright. Oh man, speaking of that smoke, how much smoke those fireworks are making before and they start out, reminds me of when I lived in Seward, Alaska, man, there's mountains everywhere, so I'd linger in the mountains for a while. It kind of, it looked like a bunch of really low rain clouds everywhere, low. Let's hope I can record this whole thing, kind of like last time I did, I think. No, I don't think it was the whole thing. I don't know, we'll see. I mean, we're in a bigger town than what we did last time for that one, but whoa! Oh yeah, they're starting up. Oh man. Yeah, man. Whoa! Yeah! Let's go! Yo, man. Yeah. So, like, yeah, kind of like this. Tons of smoke, you know, like in the mountains for just hang there for a while. Whoa! Man! Going crazy now. Oh, wow. Yo, Dad get another recording, man. Nice. Oh, by the way, Dad got a new phone today now and gave his old one to Mom's, and then Mom said give me the Samsung back, and I also could keep this phone right now. So yo, like, I have double recording space now. So if one recording, you know, it stops in the middle, kinda continue on the other one, and then if I have Dad help, you know, edit them together and all that, somehow, I don't know, find a way for him to, you know, edit them together. Oh, yo, go crazy again, whoa, hold up, whoa, yo, oh, wow, it's a spark shower, man, wow, okay, wow, man. Like shaking crazy now. Oh. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa!
You okay, boy?
Yeah, that's cool. Hey. Oh, yeah, it's still going some. Alright, dude, that's lit. Wait. Okay, they're just going kind of slow now for, okay, yo, dude. When the fireworks are going like crazy, and then they really slow down, something's right, I can feel it. You know, like Eminem says, you know, in Rap God song, instead it's something's good, instead bad. Yeah. it reminds me of something else. You know, it's a meme, or when you defeat the final boss, that the music doesn't stop. Something's wrong. I can feel it. You know, from the song. Oh man, yo, it's still going. Oh, imagine if one of them was shaped like the American flag, man. Yo, that'd be lit, dude. Yeah. Oh. Alright. Oh man, arm's getting tired. I keep like. I'm gonna have to switch hands here. Oh. Whoa! Alright. Yo, when I first got here though, like I start like and people sometimes will set off their own fireworks, like that scared me a few times though. Okay, or just random fireworks going off and yeah. Oh, okay, that was a good one there. Really wide. Oh, there's a Harley starting off in the background over there somewhere. Oh, okay, I should keep recording these, so I'm not gonna focus on that. Nope. I don't know. Oh. Man, there's some good fireworks, man. Yeah. Yo, isn't that crazy sometimes? Like, it's so humid out, like your clothes feel damp, kinda. Like, yeah. Boy, imagine if it was so humid out, like your hair, like it's like almost like it was wet from after taking a shower, and drying it out mostly, like with a towel or whatever. Like, oh yeah, I think I see a couple of my friends over there. I don't know, they kind of look like them. Yeah. Oh man, I just remember. Yo, wait, look at that falling from the sky, from the fireworks. Man, I just remembered, one of them, they actually look like one other friend I used to not lived here, but he moved and it's been a while, and man, she doesn't even recognize me anymore. Yeah, I'm not gonna say any names, so yo, hear those fireworks? They're starting to whistle, Yeah, sometimes they'll have little whistle sound effects to them, yeah. Oh, man. Oof. Yo, wait, I just remembered, though. Dude, I just remembered. Last, no, wait, that was the month before. Oh. There's some random kid shouting somehow. I don't know what it is. Just. Wait, a lot. Yeah, I noticed when I got here, there's a bunch of cops and all that. Ooh. Alright. Cuts out right now, or I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, yo, oh, yo, alright. Whoa! Wow! Oh. Okay, yo, I think that's the finale right there. Yeah! Whoa! Let's go! Alright, I think that's the last one. Wow. Okay, good. Camera didn't cut out on me. Yeah.
Good.
Alright. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna get my RC truck here and everything, and let's go, man. Yeah. Alright, I remember some good fireworks. Man, you see it? They're like,
There's two more over there.
yo, wait, what?
I was just kidding.
Oh. Yo, like, hey,
Alright.
the fireworks are
Stick
gone
by
out. The smoke was so thick you couldn't see a lot of fireworks anymore. Like,
Yep. Oh, I know it.
wow.
Ooh. Wasn't that something? Wow.
Yeah. I got a big food truck here, though. I think that's like because all the, I got those, food. Oh, yeah, those barbecue things people do, those little stations, they got selling food and all that. Yeah, I think that's all that's about. Got food truck for that there. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna actually just record the rest of the walk home here, kinda, until, it cuts out or whatever, like it stops recording, because, of flow space. It'll probably cut out about, 30 minutes or so. By the way, though, that's about as long as PewDiePie's freaking,
What did you just say?
Oh, sorry. Never mind. Sorry, Dad. Dad, sorry. Sorry,
that
Dad.
Can't go in the video. Bro.
Dad, never mind. Sorry.
It cannot go in the video now.
Okay, Dad, I'm sorry. All right. Dad, oh, come on. Just because I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry.
Settle down.
Okay, it slips sometimes.
They're gonna hear that on the video.
It just slips sometimes.
Someone's gonna flag it and.
It's just, I'm sorry. Hey.
Stop it. Settle down, boy.
Yeah, Mom and Dad, though, is letting me swearing.
Flags it and for.
Yeah. Well, now I forgot what I was saying. Oh, I was talking about PewDiePie's Minecraft videos are so long, yeah, probably about as long as this video is, usually about 20 or 30 minutes long. Seen one of his newest ones, I think his last one actually is, 41 minutes. I haven't been watching those much, actually, really, and when I seen he's doing that, I didn't think he'd carry on with the series so long like that, but, I should keep up on that whole series.
Hey, boy, those are some pretty serious fireworks, eh?
Yeah.
You know how intense they had, that was like the encore, but you would think they had 5 of those like that. When
they start going really crazy, and then they don't fully stop and keep going a little bit, and then something's wrong, something's right, I can feel it, instead of something's wrong, the song Rap God, that's what he says on there. Yeah, kind of had to walk way over from our car just to get here, though. It'd be a long way back.
That's all right.
Yeah, I mean, I like walking far sometimes. It's just, I don't always get to. But, I mean, for you, I'm saying it's going to be really long.
I'm okay. That was just a good show.
Yep. I just remembered something again when Dad busted me, when I accidentally slipped up. It reminded me of the meme, of Christian Minecraft server, and it sounds my battery. Well, thing will cut out in a little bit anyway, so I had just enough power to finish this video. Just walking back here.
Turn right here.
Okay. Oh, I just remember we actually passed by one mom's place that she used to work at.
Yep.
Oh, we got some trees, low-hanging trees here. Got a kind of duck under. Yeah, so I mean, Dad be so tall. Maybe we gotta duck sometimes where we walk. Yep. Oh, no, it's just okay.
I haven't seen fireworks like that in years.
Well, oh, okay.
I mean, that close
Yeah.
and that extravagant.
Oh man, I know.
Oh,
It's
man.
something.
Boom, boom.
It's like a machine gun, but like 3 machine guns going off. Wow, man, it just makes like man, I could feel like my chest shaking like crazy from the sound wave, you know. You know how like at rock concerts it's so loud I feel your chest shaking, like a bass kinda. That's what it was doing, but it's like, yeah, it was like boom 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 boom, kind of like that, but it's like sped up times 1,000, like kind of, you know, a song like that, you know, kind of just, yeah, sped up crazy. Oh man, it would have been nice though if like we got in that good parking spot before, you know. Like last time, man, we were here. I think. I don't remember. I think I might. I did. I don't. I think I might have. Sometimes, you know, I tend to like, I'll do like a video of something. I end up not uploading it because, I think I uploaded that one thing that was, on the 4th of July. I went there and. Yeah, so it got a really good spot though there and all that. And actually no, I don't think I recorded it. Well, I might have, but then I messed it up, so I end up just saying I give up because I wasn't able to save all those little clips at once like that and edit them together. And yeah. Man, it'd be nice if have like a little plug-in kind of memory chip thing for my phone. You know, plug-in charge port, and you know, it's just this little thing that you know, it's a little dongle type of thing. So yeah, just leave that on there. I'll have a little thing to mount it on the back of your phone. Hold it there so you don't have to, you know, hold it with your other hand so it doesn't just hang there and you know, damage a charge port. Oh, a Dodge Dart just went by. Hear that? Kind of, don't usually hear them like actually like sounding like that. You know, they usually, when I see them drive by, they're not even going fast or anything. They're just,
You got nothing but like dark screen. You're showing. Oh. You're not gonna duck. You're gonna do the mango or what is that again?
The limbo.
Yeah, limbo.
Yep. Hey, Dad.
What?
You know, come to think of it, the part, it like